Accidents occur most times as a result of careless driving or ignorance from drivers. And while we try to put most of the blames on these drivers, have we ever thought of the possibility of these accidents occurring due to the ignorance from the car brand itself? Because durability, stability, and reliability is expected from every car that will be seen moving on the road. For this reason, car brands decided to embark on what is called crash test. Crash test is a form of destructive testing, usually performed in order to ensure safe design standards. And from the crash test score, using good to poor rating system, you can measure the potential of injury to the head, neck, chest, and other important parts of the human body. Let's dive into the world of car crash tests to understand how they work and why they are crucial for ensuring safety on the road. Frontal crash test simulates a head-on collision, which is one of the most common type of accidents. During this test, dummies are equipped with sensors to measure the impact force on different parts of the body. Side impact test assesses a vehicle's ability to protect occupants during a side collision. Therefore, advanced safety features such as side airbag and reinforced door panels play a crucial role in minimizing injury. Rollover test evaluates a car's stability and structural integrity during a rollover accident. Engineers analyze how well the roof structure withstands the forces exerted during the rollover. The engineer's goal is to design vehicles that do not only meet but also exceed safety standards. Crash tests provide valuable data that help them refine their designs and incorporate the latest safety technology. Car crash test serves as a crucial step in the development of safer vehicles. By subjecting cars to rigorous testing, manufacturers can identify potential weaknesses and make improvements to enhance occupant protection. Remember, when you're on the road, your safety is paramount. Therefore, choose a vehicle that has undergone thorough crash testing to ensure you and your loved ones stay protected. Thanks for watching. Drive safely and please subscribe.